If you need to get your AnyDesk code quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your AnyDesk number on computer or mobile, how to copy it, and how to share it safely with someone who needs remote access. This is a very simple process, but if you've never used AnyDesk before, it can be confusing the first time. So stick with me and I'll walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open AnyDesk on your device. You can launch it on a Windows computer, a Mac, or even on your mobile phone if you have the app installed. Once AnyDesk opens, give it a few seconds to load fully and show the main screen. This is where you'll find the code you need to share with another person. Now look carefully on the main screen for the section labeled Your Address. In AnyDesk, this is your unique AnyDesk number or ID. It is the code people use to connect to your device remotely. Depending on the version of the app you're using, it may also appear as a long number or a mix of numbers and letters, but the important thing is that it's shown right there on the main page under your address. If you don't see it right away, just wait a moment for the app to finish loading, because sometimes the number appears a second or two after startup. Once you see your AnyDesk number, the next step is to copy it. On a computer, you can usually click the number and use the copy icon if one appears random, or simply highlight it and press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. On mobile, you may need to tap and hold the number, then choose copy from the menu that appears. Copying it makes it much easier to paste into a message, email, or chat without making any mistakes. After that, share the number with the person who needs access. You can send it through text, email, WhatsApp, or any other messaging app you prefer. Just make sure you only share your AnyDesk code with someone you trust, because that number allows another person to request a connection to your device. If you want, you can also ask them to send you their AnyDesk code too, if you need to connect to their computer. That way, both sides can connect when needed. And that's it. That's how to get your AnyDesk code in just a few seconds. Open the app, find your address, copy the number, and share it securely. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, simple fixes, and beginner-friendly tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.